Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can use OpenClaw with the GLM5 model. So model.com is providing GLM5. Model Research is providing free GLM5 token for some time. So you can use it with the OpenClaw. First of all, my OpenClaw is running. So I am going to stop the OpenClaw. OpenClaw gateway stop. So gateway is stopped now, and next I need to install the latest version of OpenClaw. So this is the command to install the latest version OpenClaw latest, or you need to run open npm -i. To install the latest version of OpenClaw, you need to run npm -g OpenClaw, and this will install the OpenClaw latest version. So I run the command, and let's wait for the installation to complete. OpenClaw latest version is being installed. OpenClaw installation is successful. Now next we have to run OpenClaw on board. I understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Yes, quick start, reset, full reset, and then I will choose the custom provider, Anthropic, OpenAI or Anthropic compatible. Base URL, we have to take it from here. Create a token. So it created the token, and base URL you have to copy till B1. Copy it. Till V1, and then API key. This is the API key, and this is OpenAI compatible. Model ID you have to use this jai-org/glm5fp8. Press enter. Now it is verifying. Now it is successful. Endpoint is this, and model alias GLM5. Now this is successful. For now skip. Configure skill now, no. Enable the hooks, skip for now, and then skip. I will start the gateway manually. Before this, we have to go to users, your current user, then dot OpenClaw, and this is the config file. You need to edit the config file. So this is the context window. We need to change it to 32,000, and this is maximum. Now we should start the gateway. OpenClaw gateway restart. Now the gateway is being started. It is started. Here is the window, and we can start the chat. We can also check the status of OpenClaw gateway. Run this command. In my case, this gateway service is missing, so I need to install Open Gateway service. OpenClaw gateway install. It should be installed in admin mode. So OpenClaw gateway install. Now we will restart the gateway services. Gateway is started. Now got the message just woke up from fresh state. Just woke up from fresh state here. I can see you are Deepak, but me, I am not sure who I am supposed to be. Let's figure out what should you call me. I'll call him Tom. Just a helpful AI, nothing fancy. So can you tell me today's AI news in tabular format? Let's run this. For AI news today, February 2025, top 10. Completed. So now it is working and you can start using the OpenClaw on your machine. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.